In this course, we will be using Python programming language. Now, uh, as soon as I will say that I'm going to use Python programming language, naturally the first question which comes in our mind is why Python? Why not any other programming language? And there may be some people who may just think, oh, do I need to know any programming language in depth to be a good data scientist? Um, yeah, up to some extent, you need to know a little bit of programming language, but that's the reason we are using Python. It is so simple. It is uh, going to sound just like an English language. That's the whole power of Python programming language. If this is your first programming language, then congratulations, you are learning the most easiest programming language available with us. It is a general purpose programming language which is named after Monty Python. Okay, so basically it is named after Monty Python. This is the name. So that's the reason they named it as Python with this name itself. What I mean by general purpose programming language. There are few other programming languages like R, uh, SAS, and so on. They are only used for one specific purpose. For example, like for analytics. R is mainly used for only analytics. But when it comes to your Python, you can use Python for your web application. You can use it for analysis. You can use for any computations and different places. In fact, if you look at the data of last 10-15 years, Python is rated as top programming language among the whole programming list. Um, and its simplicity as well as the way it ensures that whatever task you are performing, you can do it in very fewer line of code. And it's very easy to understand that code as well. It's just like you are talking with a normal human being. You will feel it like that. If you can even make out from the fact that lot of different companies like Google, NASA, Yahoo, they are all using Python. So you name any big company, most of the companies are using Python programming language. So it is becoming that popular. In fact, so many libraries which we need for our course is easily and readily available in Python programming language. And most of the time you will notice that we will not be writing something from scratch. You will notice that we will be having in form of some library, some for some of library like NumPy, Panda. Most of the things will be pre-written for us. It will be the pre-written code available for us. We have to just call the function and get the job done. So that makes the Python very interesting and easy to use. So let's explore more on the Python side in coming video lectures.